Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Hilliard Custom Rims and Tires, the world's biggest in-stock rim and tire showroom. Today I'm broadcasting to the Wheel Nation. We have a giant snowstorm coming tomorrow, over 30 centimeters of snow. As the president of Hilliard Custom Rim and Tire, I'm extending all winter tire sales and production to continue till the end of February. I'm putting a stop to all sales of chrome wheels and focusing on the winter tire market. We have tires in stock from 14 to 20-inch winter tires, rims, and packages in stock at below cost prices. Come in now and save. The only difference is, where is your car? Contact me personally, the president, for your free wheel consultation at 905-528-3500. Visit us online at HILLYARD'S.com. We're also connected to social media. Visit us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. The question is, where is your car?